Hey guys, today I'm joined with my best friend Tax. I love her. Okay, basically we're doing the, what's it, I'll guess that childhood theme song, whatever, challenge. We've got forfeits for like each round, and then at the end, whoever's like the loser at the end and who does basically the most forfeits has to give the other person their phone, and they can like, I think, go on Snapchat,
or like post something on Snapchat or Instagram,
something like that. But yes, I've got my little sister over there. She's gonna play, she's a bit sick. Mind her, if she sneezes and whatever, she's a bit sick. But she's gonna play the songs. Guys, I'll turn your thing because I don't want to be able to see it. Okay, so by the way, make sure to like and subscribe, and yeah, let's go on with the video. Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. First one to me. Wait, should we keep counting of who gets the points? I think we do. Guess I will remember it. Okay, I got it right. Sure, Mickey Mouse Clubhouse.
Right, so do I just pick a...
Yes, okay, so here's our forfeit in a nice Jack Daniels glass.
We're not alcoholics.
Okay, so go for it. I'm nervous for you.
Listen, this looks long.
Show the last picture on the person's phone.
Can you pass my phone?
Oh, saucy. Oh, that's boring.
How do I just...
Did you just take a picture of a random person?
No. No. Basically, I hope he doesn't watch this before the surprise party happens. But like, my family are planning a surprise party for my cousin. And
when is it? Because it's going on Friday.
It's on Sunday. And basically, like, they're getting him a cake, and like one of the people that's like organising it, they took a picture of the place that they want to get cake from. Basically.
So
that's what that
is. I was really hoping something juicy.
No, it was sent to me through WhatsApp. That's the only reason it's there.
Fair enough. Okay, next one, round 2. Albert Einstein something.
Let's see the whole thing.
Little Einstein.
Yeah. She didn't even try.
She was like,
No.
we're going on a trip.
She was like Albert Einstein, like, and I thought she got it. So I was like, I'll just give up right now.
I couldn't remember what it was called. Oh yeah, she has to do a forfeit. She forgot.
Oh yeah,
Okay, another forfeit coming through.
Can we just do it like every like?
Do we do every 2?
Yeah, because
No. Shot of... No, it's a spoon of mustard.
Oh, love it. I love it. I'm gonna go get this spoon of
Can
mustard.
you get me water as well?
I will. Got the mustard. Oh, and it's a foreign type something.
I hate
it's
mustard.
this. I hate it as well. That's why I'm happy you got it. This mustard. Spiciness, 3 out of 4. Good luck.
I hate it.
Okay.
Let me
smell
try.
it. I gave her a teaspoon because I'm a nice
Okay,
friend.
don't like.
Oh my god, I'm
fill it
literally
up.
gonna be sick from the smell.
Like hot, like do like a quarter. I'm not joking.
Oh wait, I
left
left still playing
I
on.
was gonna say I left the door open. Oh, okay.
Like legit a quarter. That's not a quarter.
Look, I'll scrape it.
Right, can you pass my water?
Ready?
I have to. It's a forfeit.
Come on, you gotta
That's
get it on
what
camera. Cheers.
I need to pray because.
Oh my lord.
The prayers are too long. Can you
Jesus,
hurry
thank you.
Oh my god. No. You got this. Oh my god.
up? Got it fast.
Stop.
I'm not going down.
You can do this. No, I can't. I love my like little noises in the back. Oh my god, how was it?
Why is that so thick?
It's foreign mustard.
I can still taste it.
Oh my god. Shut up. The smell was making me sick.
Nah.
Nah.
Such a
Nah.
trooper. I love you.
Next one.
Okay, pray for you. Okay, round 3. Oh, Full House. Oh, Full House. Nah, I'm gonna give that to you because you've done too many. All right. I just said that bad. I'm gonna slow it down and see how it was. No.
She's gonna get the pass or
I'll
the.
cry.
Is she the shot of lemon juice? I wish I got that one.
No, I
Get a
can't
pip in
have
there.
it.
I love it. Right.
Okay, we'll be back. Oh, it was shot of lemon juice. Love it.
That's it.
Cheers. I didn't have a shot glass.
So we're gonna have to go for it. What do you put, like a mini
Your-
teacup?
This is an espresso
that
cup.
I would have
Do it
loved this
faster.
one. I love lemon
No,
juice.
I think I'll have lemon and water, but like
No, like I love
No,
lemon
no,
juice. Like I could drink that like so casually.
You're weird.
Cheers.
Thank you. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's such a big shot.
It's a whole lemon,
Oh, it
by the
touched
way.
my- Yeah, trust me, she made me do the whole.
She tried to do half. I was like, no. Water.
Got a seed. It's great.
Listen, she's
I
the
burnt off my.
biggest drama queen in the whole entire world. I
No,
cannot.
I burnt off my taste buds.
Yeah.
That was
Okay.
Why are you not
delicious.
gonna taste your food? Are you
What
ready?
a shame. That Nando's is really.
No, that is so butter.
Are you
It's
ready?
bitter, you know.
You take lemon. and
Yeah,
herb.
because it's lemon. Of course it's bitter.
It's sour. It's sour and bitter. Okay,
Okay.
Are you ready?
let me make my face more normal again.
Round 2. I mean 3.
Round 4.
3.
No, we just did round 3.
Round 4.
Round 4. Round 4. Let's go.
Corey's house.
I was gonna say Corey in the house, but
Corey's house.
I think it's Corey in the house.
It's Corey's house.
I think it's Corey in the house. Corey in the house.
Google it. Watch it be Corey in the house.
I was gonna say Corey in the house, and you're like Corey's house. I was like,
Corey
maybe
in
I'm.
the house.
Oh, you got no.
Just hope you get a pass.
I love life. Oh god. Listen.
Let's just
You shake up.
shake it up.
Jesus.
What is it, a pass?
It's a reverse, and I'm gonna choose what I want her to do. So I'm
You
gonna
can't
pick.
choose.
I'm gonna choose.
Yes, you can choose.
you-
I can choose,
Yeah,
because
you
it's a
pick
reverse.
it, but you don't
No.
like.
No, just let her choose.
No,
it.
I get to choose.
No, that's not right.
No,
No,
Okay.
so basically she gets to pick one for me. I don't know how this happened.
But like, okay.
Go for it. I'm best scared. Like if I get. Oh God, what is it?
Do an accent until the next round.
Please don't do it with me.
So like the round that's coming up now, you have to have an accent.
Do I get to choose the next round though? I mean, do I get to?
What accent?
Do I get to choose the accent?
Yeah.
Oh. Do a Scottish accent. No, Irish.
Oh Lord. All right, Lassie.
No, I know Irish. Is I'm 33 on the third day.
I'm 33 on the third day of the month. Okay.
Okay, that's the accent you got then.
Okay. I think I'll say
You
round
just say
5.
that in Irish.
Round 5.
Are you ready?
Round 5. 5. Round 5.
That's not an
Are you
Irish.
ready?
Round 5.
Are you ready? Say round 5 one more time.
Round 5. That sounds quite good.
That's not Irish.
Okay, good.
She said it like a split second before we back.
And I did it in the Irish accent. Like, Powerpuff Girls.
But she stated it. She said, "Yeah, you did say the Irish accent."
No,
That's
okay, we'll do a
forfeit.
rewind. I was like,
So-
Powerpuff Girls.
No. No.
Let's try. Let's
Nah,
go.
next one, Powerpuff Girls. I said, nah.
Okay,
'Cause
we'll
what?
do another
No.
one.
Okay, I'm
Another
gonna
one.
go.
Because that's
I'm
at the
gonna
same
go
time.
first, and I-
It's, you can say it in the accent, so forfeit.
Barney and the dinosaur.
It's not in the dinosaur. It's
Barney and the dinosaur.
It's Barney the dinosaur.
Barney and the Barney the dinosaur.
Right, no, because you got it wrong.
You didn't say anything.
It's literally just Barney. It's Barney and Friends.
Barney and Friends.
Max, you were eliminated a long time ago.
She's trying to hold on to whatever face she has.
Shot of lemon juice.
Oh, have fun. Oh no, that's not fun for you. Stop lemon juice.
Can I go now?
As if that's your reaction. Is it not sour?
No.
For me it was.
Okay.
Can't hack it. Okay.
Oh,
Next.
you can feel it, but it's not.
Round 6. Round 6. Even Stevens.
No.
Unfabulous. Nestle classified.
H2O. Nah, listen. Don't lie. Don't lie. I screamed H2O.
Oh, did you?
The top of my lungs.
Okay, H2O. She got it. I got a special power.
Thank you, Christabel. Shout out to you, because if
She would never have
you
known.
weren't my cousin, I never would have known.
I said aquamarine for some reason. I think the pressure.
H2O.
Okay.
Love you, babe.
Oh wait, I have to pick it.
You have to pick.
Wait, so hold the. Okay. Oh lord.
Oh, we got one. Oh, you picked one.
Okay. You done put the spoon on the
Your spoon and your mustard over.
Cheers.
Just eat it fast, so I can laugh at you fast.
Oh. I'm really scared.
How do you think I'm
Okay, okay.
You can do this. I believe in you.
Mm-mm.
You have to swallow it. I swallowed it.
What you go?
You have to swallow it. Drama queen.
Oh my god, oh my god. I
The
really
faster you
can't.
swallow it, the
No,
faster
no, no.
the taste's gonna go.
Just swallow it. It's proper thick, isn't it?
Oh, it's spicy. I'm
good?
a trooper, I did it.
You're a trooper. You
Oh
did.
my
Ready?
god. Oh, it's in the back of my throat.
Yeah, it doesn't leave for a while. It's gonna take
Round 7.
round 7. Not a clue.
Oh, I know this.
I do not.
Imagine thingy and imaginary friends. What's it? But I don't know what his name is. Bet. Is it with a B?
Oh.
No, maybe 5 seconds. 5.
No, but I got it basically.
4,
No.
3.
Just go to the next one.
Yeah, what is it?
Did none of
Foster's
us.
Home for Imaginary
Foster's Home for
Friends.
Imaginary Friends. I got it basically.
No.
Oh, shake it up!
Yeah.
Everybody,
I
everybody
didn't
get
either.
out on the floor. It can get a little crazy. Let's get the forfeits.
I forgot about the forfeit. I used to love Shake Up. Damn.
That's my jam.
My recipe.
Oh,
As
thank you, Lord.
if she got past.
I got the pass. You can't even see it, but I got the pass.
This is a joke. I refuse.
Thank you.
Round 8.
Are you ready?
Round 8.
Isn't this? See, part of me feels like saying Teletubbies.
Yeah.
It's Teletubbies. Oh! It's right at the beginning with the baby's laugh
Yeah.
because it's in the sun, and I was like, no, that's
Yeah,
Teletubbies. I know something. This is lit. What is it? What is it? It's the post in it. I can post any picture with any caption.
But isn't that the end one?
Shh.
No.
Not
Oh,
anymore.
wait, delivery sent me a notification. Oh my god, which Instagram? I have to do it my personal.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh,
I'm
well,
really-
since you're doing a video.
I haven't posted since like September. I'm really
Yeah, I was
picky
gonna
about
say,
what
like,
goes.
since you're doing, like, it's on your thing.
Oh yeah.
Then it can be your.
Okay, then it can be my.
Yeah, but it triggers her more if it's on her normal channel.
That's
does
true.
trigger
Go
me more.
to your normal one.
I'm deleting it. I can't delete. For
You can't delete for
24
20.
hours.
She can't delete for 24 hours, by the way.
No.
Yeah.
Look at my Instagram, by the way. My personal Instagram, I have it very perfect. I have a theme. I'm gonna get very irritated. Can you at least put a whiteboard around it?
No. I mean, I did say I could post on Snapchat, but if you want it to be Instagram, I don't
No,
want.
Snapchat's the end one.
Oh. Okay.
Because Snapchat we care about the most.
Yeah, we do.
Okay.
Alright then.
Okay, here you go. You
I haven't been keeping track of how many people. I think you got more losers than she does.
Yeah,
she
of course I
did.
have. Oh, it's gone.
No, but do you want to choose a photo?
I'll just go through this
Oh,
way.
you're just gonna do that way, okay?
Oh, you have so many pictures though.
I have most of my pictures on Snapchat.
Oh, Jesus. If you don't follow her.
Oh my god, the caption's funny. Okay,
Oh,
first
so-
one, this is the photo.
If you
By
do
the
not
way,
follow her, like,
yeah, okay,
it's
my
Deborah.
personal account is Deborah_SH. But the reason this photo exists, yeah, is because I was trying to take a selfie and I was lying on my sister's bum. and she moved like on purpose, and then I fell and I took the picture as I was falling, so that's what you get. But this is the caption, the funniest part. My life flashed before my eyes. Don't take life for granted. Hashtag love, hashtag life, hashtag makeup guru, hashtag MUA, hashtag YOLO, hashtag deep thoughts, hashtag new year, new me, hashtag bye now. Last one, Greta. Last one. Round 8. The 9. Round 9. 9.
You ready?
Yeah. And Zoe 101. Yeah. Classic. Yeah, so good. I know what the last one is. It's Sriracha. Good today. Beautiful. Is it going to focus? No, because my hand's too white.
It's Sriracha. It's a shot.
Shot
of
of Sriracha. Let's do this.
Listen.
Cheers.
Guess the next one.
Huh? Jonas LA. Okay, chin chin, cheerio. I've got your water here for you. Shot of Sriracha, yeah?
That's not even pour out, it's so thick.
Oh my god, I feel so bad for you.
Should have like a spoon or something.
Get her the mustard spoon.
No, that mustard spoon can chill.
Even if not all of it comes out, just try and get as much as you can. You're trying to get as much as you can, oh, that's bad for you.
Yeah, forfeit, like,
yeah,
have
but
to go for it.
Oh my god, it smells very strong. It's nice on food, but
It's like tingling my tongue. They're like,
it's spicy, so. Oh no, it's gonna pour in slowly. That's the worst part. Okay, that's enough. You don't have to do it anymore. Oh my god, she's taking these like champ. Oh no. Oh god, by the way, I've got this all over my hands coming on.
Well then, Tax has lost 6-3. And so you can post anything.
Oh
on
my god.
Snapchat.
Okay.
yeah.
By the way, she lost, so now she has to forfeit, and I'm gonna take over her Snapchat. Because we just treasure Snapchat more than anything.
One post.
Okay.
Can one post be a story?
Guys, you're gonna have to tell me because I don't have to be evil.
Okay,
But you have to show it to me first.
swap places.
Okay, wait. Let me just skip through the rest of your story. People are gonna be so confused. That's the funny thing. We did some random.
It doesn't even make sense.
That's why we
It's
did
the
it.
happy lyrics.
It's the emoji.
Yeah, it's happy lyrics. So we got this. We said it might seem crazy what I'm about to say. ... Sunshine, she's here. You can take a break with like the tongue emojis.
Honestly.
And the like emojis. In a hot air balloon that could go to space with like the eggplant emoji, tongue emoji, squirt emoji. And then with the air, I don't care baby, by the way. Devil emojis and all that. It just kind of makes it look a bit freaky. A bit freaky. She's already got replies. Anyway, guys, I know I'm in a different position, but thanks for watching the video. Definitely been to like, we both suffered.
I clearly suffered more.
Oh my god, no way! Okay. So, this is the video. Did you like it?
It was great.
It was great.
Oh, wonderful. My
I'm
mouth's
just-
still burning.
It was fun. It was fun. Thanks guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I just decided to do something a bit funnier because I just really wanted to do a challenge and stuff. I wanted to do a spicy noodle challenge, but it's very hard to find them, but I will get a hold of them. If you want to see something, comment it down below, like and subscribe, share, and yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.
Thanks, guys.
Bye.